Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning. You having a good time going through the whole world in a half an hour?
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Those are all the sights you would see and pay a lot of money for.
Tito Rocky, nag-akyat kami doon.
See, we
Okay,
should
kayo.
have been. We almost made it to the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Huh? Really?
Climbed that.
Yeah.
We made it to the. We made it to the second level. I think you can climb to the top.
Sa pangalawa.
Jeb. Me and Bob are gonna go to the top, and our knees hurt.
Pwede ba umakit sa pinakatasan?
Oo, ito kami kanina.
Doon sa may taas mismo?
1, 2. Oo.
Mm.
Kung kaya, umakit kami sa taas. Kaya nakakanginig na pag nandiyan ka na sa taas. Huwag ka titingin sa baba. Pero pag
I feel comfortable.
Yeah, these are
Yeah.
kind of like that. They just slip in. No tie.
No tie. Oh, yeah.
You can't if you want to tighten.
Andito lahat ng mga bansa.
Well, as you get older, you
Daddy, punta tayo
London,
doon.
Paris, New York,
parts of the world we want to go. Go to the windmill.
Egypt.
We'll be in Denmark.
What part in Europe?
It doesn't. That is in
Australia?
no. I bet they have them in Austria, but these are usually used like in Denmark, and Holland, or
Australia. Australia.
available. It's full of water. Yeah, they probably have windmills most places. They need irrigation. In cities mostly, like in Holland where the tulips are. Maybe Sweden. Maybe. But they used to have. They used to have plaques on them. Some of them have plaques. Like now it does. This must be a constant on your mind, constant nightmare for gardeners. Remember when it's pushed.
Papicture ko kayo pa.
Windmills on your mind. Oh, there you go, another song reference. Come on, Grandpa.
You must first done. Oh, wait. Just wait for a while.
We're not climbing no higher.
Okay na. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Cheese.
Cheese. Yan.
Good day. Downstairs, kids climb. They climb stairs.
He's good in Facebook.
Rocky over here, the blogger.
The blogger.
Let's go. How can I refuse that request? Here we go. We are not on Julia. We are Swiss or Denmark. Denmark. If it was there, what would it be? What would you choose? Oh, okay. Yeah, we can go from Eastern Europe, like Western Europe, America. So we're again in other space.
Another level. Hindi na dyan, anak. Hindi na dyan, wala na dyan. Wala na.
Nakita ko!
Na. Wala. Wala na dyan. Dito na tayo.
So no more, huh? Naka-live ka ba?
Hindi.
You can tell them that you don't world.
No!
25 minutes. Right? Right. Saan tayo?
Hey!
Saan tayo?
Hey!
We get a picture in Liberty, no? Jimmy, Liberty, okay, tapos na, Liberty? Hindi pa, Liberty. In America, no. We travel in America. North America, I don't want to go back.
Why? Singapore.
Wala doon, wala doon. Oh, we're finished there. Ikot na doon? Okay.
Let's go, let's go. We arrived to Manila. Bingo.
Yeah, those are the ones they put the little wrappers around when they're young, flowering,
Yeah.
keep the bugs out.
Yeah.
They got some trees here, and they got the envelope on them.
Newspaper.
Newspaper? Newspaper. Envelope. Where am I at? Where you going, Bob? Oh, never mind. Old people. I forgot.
I should be right behind him. You guys stay late at the pool?
No.
Really? Too late.
Oh.
That little girl's adventurous. She wanted to go all the way to the top of the tower.
Nah,
You've been here? You've been here before? Walking around this area?
last 2 years, 3 years.
You've been here?
Yeah.
Okay. What do they do here? I mean, what's the attraction for the people that come in?
The pool and this one.
Okay. Most people stay or just come visit for one day?
Stay
They stay
for
overnight? Okay,
for
so
one day.
What is this considered, a resort?
Mm,
Some kind of adventure resort? You know, what do they classify this as if you were going to?
place event. The place event. Then the another pool, the kids pool.
I seen the two pools on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it says wear life jackets, so it must be the kiddie pool. The big pool, the kiddie pool,
Mm.
and all of this. So if you got a bunch of kids here, right? When these people are here, there's a lot of kids. They'd be all over that tower. They'd be all to the top. That'd be crazy. It'd be crazy, Bob. I know, because I was once her age. I'd be up on the top, throwing things at girls or something. They even got wheelchair access.
Yung sumingong.
Mahirap pala magsalita ng English. Yung gusto mong sabihin sa isip mo, pag magsalita ka na, mauutal ka na. Ano ba yun? Buti na lang Pilipino ako.
Then, John,
Expected mo na.
what words that? Roman.
That was Roman days, right?
No, Roman.
Little boys.
Yeah. That's Roman. Rome, Italy.
Well, yeah, Rome is Italy.
Kailangan dapat pala maging very good ako sa English para someday, somehow, what happened? Someday na gano'n ako. Yung tour guide.
Another swimming pool.
Saan yan?
Dito tayo.
We didn't go that far. I seen these two this morning. That's a long walk. Oh, see the 16? Rest house and windmill.
A private pool.
So right behind the windmill is a pool.
Siguro sa bonding yung family, asawa.
Mga honeymoon.
Ilog.
Camp?
Mike? Ilog, oo. Ilog.
Dito tayo, napipintahan natin ito.
Fish pond. Number 11, fish pond.
Tara.
Tara.
Right is here. Did you come with the driver?
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't see you when we left on our adventure. You must have just pulled in afterwards.
Mm-hmm. Car wash, car wash.
Morning, morning. Morning, morning.
Morning, Doug. Good morning. Nice day. Thanks again for everything.
Yeah.
Very dependable.
Yeah. All right.
That's what you need. I'll go see if the woman.
English barok ta ani.
Came down the slide yesterday.
Yeah.
Glad seeing you.
Ano mo yun? Kanya na gustuhan. Ano ito? Lucky day. Ako ko lagi lucky day. Kaya gustuhan.
Oh, you went about halfway. The little girl wanted to go all the way. Yes, and I was tempted. Well, we don't have time. No, I was gonna say if we had another hour here, we could mess around. But it's amazing. Okay, I just finished mine. But those are good.
Ha?
Tayo nag-beer dito ako. Sana tayo nag-beer kami.
Kung mula sa Manila
tayo,
pa
lalabas
pan,
na yan.
pa koridor. Makalong Manila koridor?
Manila.
Koridor?
Ano ba? Travel sa ano?
Koridor, siyempre. Alam na tayo magkabataan pa. Hindi na.
Hindi ko alam eh. Sa Pasay? Pasay daw yun eh.
Magtanong-tanong doon.
Pasay magbarko. Ay, bangka.
Oo.
Fast craft.
Kaya nga.
Malaki. Meron lagi.
Parang wala silang picture.
Saan?
Doon sa ano. No. Ginakwento niya nandiyan. Sumama sa puta eh. Tuntingin ko na.
Ano yun?
Nak, tara na. Ili.
Ayun pa yun sa.
Kaya may isa na kayo na. Block. Block na ganito na. Hindi. Tari mo.
Dapat binayaran mo na lang sarili mo ng 150.
Ang ina ko nga eh. Parang din nakasus ka putang ina mo basta eh. Hindi pa ako na lang nag-utos. mananalo sa akin mabukas ang iPhone. Bukas lang, hinugasan tayo nun. Kahit yung salamin niya, ano pa eh.
Tignan muna sila sa hotel bago mo gala.
She don't have the boxes anymore. Right? The boxes of candy. And peanut butter.
And coffee.
And coffee.
Good morning.
I'm sure she would have went to the coffee. She handled that rope. That rope bridge. Oh gosh, like a jam. How old is she? Like 5? Trying to remember that far back. Kind of do.
Wag ipipit yan ha, bad yan.
Back in the day when you could fall and not really get hurt. You know, it doesn't work that way now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. One.
Just your license, right?
Yeah, but that's my life.
We need to, ano lang, like,
Just say, that's a guy. It's amazing what you can do here. It's safe. Oh, it's calling me. You gonna go with us?
Yeah.
You gonna go with us again today?
Yes.
It's good to have an adventure, right?
Yeah. Right.
Video kami yan.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Brad, oh, picture mo kami. Brad.
O, yung video mo daw.
Hindi, okay na. Sige. Kasama ka din.
One more for me. Jump shot. Jump shot. Okay, one more. Okay.
Driver na, photographer pa.
Oo. Ano wala? Itong mga ads ganyan, itong mga ads eh.
Career phone call coming in.
Yeah.
Oh. Bago akong pindot.
Oo, di ba? Baka mawala. Sa pindot mo lang.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Let's go. Babay rin. Babay.
Okay, thank you.
Palitan ng remote. May remote din yung remote eh.
Ano tayo palit? Paglayo natin, hindi ko parehas yan. Uncle, bye.
Thank you very much. Very good. Very nice to see you.
Yes, Uncle. Bye-bye. Uncle.
Najib,
Tell you that.
try mo muna pala si Ian. Kung may pera ka pa niya extra. Si Mau.
Saan man?
500 lang.
Next naman tayo, ma'am. Ha? Saan tayo mauna?
Bye, ingat ka, ingat.
Bye!
Una, ang ano yung pag-check-in nyo?
Hindi si Yasmin.
Oh, sana sa Makati.
Oo, sa opisina niya.
Oh, sige.
Christmas party natin sa 29.